Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Work English. If you are working in a hotel housekeeping department, this video is for you. Working in housekeeping isn't just about cleaning rooms. It's about communicating professionally with guests,
handling requests, and solving small problems smoothly. Today, I am going to teach you all every hotel housekeeper must know to sound confident and polite. Let's get started.
Many beginners make the mistake
Housekeeping!
or just pushing the door open. Instead, knock politely and say,
Housekeeping, good morning.
this creates a much better impression.
Our first situation happens before you even step foot inside a guest room.
The mistake is shouting loudly.
Open door! Housekeeping, may I come in?
This shows respect for the guest's privacy.
Next up, guest requests. When a guest opens the door and asks for extra towels, how do you respond?
The mistake. Take it, or here, towel. The professional way. Certainly, here are your extra towels, or I'll bring those right up for you. Practice tip. Always use words like certainly or my pleasure. It completely changes how professional you sound.
Now let's talk about a tougher situation. A guest complains that something isn't clean or working properly.
The mistake. Saying, not my job, or no problem here. The professional way. I am so sorry about that. Let me take care of it right away. Why it matters. Taking ownership and apologizing for the inconvenience de-escalates tension instantly and proves you care about service quality.
Following up on complaints, let's look closer at apologies. Never just say sorry and walk away.
The professional way, calling. The professional way, Please accept my sincere apologies for the inconvenience.
Use this when a mistake has caused a delay or discomfort for the guest. It shows a high level of language proficiency that managers love to see.
When you finish cleaning or dropping off supplies, how do you leave the room? The mistake. Walking away silently or saying bye. The professional way. Have a wonderful stay, and please let us know if you need anything else. Why it matters. A warm closing sentence leaves a lasting 5-star impression on the guest.
Would you like me to replenish your toiletries today?
Did you happen to leave this item behind in the room?
Is it a convenient time to service your room? I will report this maintenance issue to our engineering team immediately. Is everything to your satisfaction before I leave?
Mastering these 10 phrases will instantly make you stand out as a top-tier hospitality professional. Practice them every day and watch your workplace confidence grow.
If you want more practical English lessons for your daily job, make sure to subscribe to Easy Work English. See you in the next lesson!